In this video, I'm going to show you how to change icon size on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to use the bigger size or smaller size on your iPhone apps icon, you can easily switch between it using the iOS 18 new feature. So if you're done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All you need to do to change the app icon size on your iPhone is press and hold the home screen like this. Then once the application starts jiggling, next is click on the edit button at the top left. Then select customize. Here, you should have two options available here. You have the large option and then you have the small option. So the small option will reduce the size of the app icon and the large option will make it a bit bigger compared to the small icon. So you can switch between these to see which one that pleases you. However, when you choose the small icon, you should see the app name comes up. And when you selected the large icon, the app's name will disappear. So this is how you can easily change or switch from small icon to large icon on iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.